Hi, everyone. Welcome to Professional Excel Trainer. This video is a must to watch. Take advantage of this, and you will be able to understand our next lectures better. Today we are going to learn about a term that is used in Microsoft Excel. There is a term named function argument. If you are unfamiliar with the term argument, let me explain it to you. Whenever you use a function and have to put something in the pair of parentheses, that is called an argument. If you have to put more than one argument, you must separate them with commas. Let me give you some examples. We will see it in slides first, then, we will see it in Excel in future videos. Most Excel functions accept more than one argument. Here are some more common functions that take no or one argument. We will discuss these in detail in our upcoming videos. Excel functions that take no arguments. True and false. Yes, these two functions take no arguments. Functions with only one argument. The len function, which gives the length of its argument and takes only one argument. Some other functions like this are code, not, char, lower, upper, and proper. Over time we will talk about these gradually. Functions with more than one argument. Well, most Excel functions accept more than one argument. Here is a list of the most common ones. SUMIF, SUMIFS, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match, etc. We will discuss these functions in detail in our future videos. Till then, stay safe and be kind to others. Make sure to take a look at part 2 of this series. We will show you some techniques on how you can learn almost 50% of all functions available in Microsoft Excel. By talking about the types of Microsoft Excel function arguments and their naming conventions.